As I mentioned, the engagements have to be on all levels. So once the committee has been established, finalized, so first one meeting with the interested persons, those are being contacted as we speak. We do not feel that anyone can put a timeline on when we are ready to respond. So I do not have a timeline for that. What I do have is that we know what the committee should consist of, whom, then the types of persons. We've invited people who we know are interested. And once we've had that meeting and been able to determine who would fit best, who would be advisors to the group, then the different engagements will be planned, which would include, of course, not just town hall meetings, but panel discussions, going on the radio, going to the schools, etc., ensuring that the information is shared throughout the community. I am seeing more traction. I am already seeing different radio programs that are discussing the topic, and we do not want it to be skewed one way or the other. So we really feel that getting all involved and ensuring that the entire story is being discussed on our level is important, because there is an awareness needed, and I do recognize the need for awareness on both sides of the Atlantic, which the Dutch government has pledged some funding for. But as I mentioned, that is but the beginning, a drop in the bucket of what needs to happen. People need to understand what the Prime Minister was apologizing for, and also what we as St. Martin, as a result, can and will be doing moving forward.